How to set up the timeout setting in Windows 10. It is easy and simple. So for this one, just you have to right click and you have to click in the personalize. Then after that, your setting is opening it. So now you can see here you will get these settings. After that, you have to click in the lock screen. And now after that, you have to click in the screen timeout setting. So guys, now you can see here there is basically two types of the timeout setting. The first one is the screen, and the second one is the sleep. So if you want to set up the screen timeout, so now you can see here is the battery power turn off after. So just you have to make it. So now you can see there are various time and you can choose any of them. So I am just making it never. So you can make it never. Okay, so if you want to leave your computer 24-hour on, in that case you can make it never. Okay, so I am just making it never. So after that, my screen timeout is setting. Okay, so in this way you can also set off your timeout setting in Windows 10. Thank you so much.